So Mike, we've talked a little bit already about the different type of products that Chief Agri has. It clearly requires equipment to produce this, and I know that Chief Ag has been in business since 1961. The plant keeps expanding, and I think we might be on a verge of another expansion. Can you talk about what is the square footage that you guys are in today, and what does this expansion project look like?
Yes, Beth, we do have an expansion project coming very quickly up in the future. We are currently in a roughly 200,000 square foot facility, and we're adding 50,000 square feet to that. Most of that is going to be to expand our capabilities within our Kearney manufacturing plant. We're going to be housing some new equipment. We are going to be pulling together some of our assembly operations that are currently housed in a separate facility so we can streamline our operations. Very exciting move for our entire team.
And so did you have two different locations and you guys are combining, you're kind of pulling them back in?
Yes, we do have two locations in the Kearney area. Today, our final assembly for our material handling product line, which is bucket elevators and conveyors for moving grain, are actually produced in a separate facility. So this expansion, one of the end goals will be to bring that team into our main facility and tie them in with the rest of our operations.
And Mark, I know it's never a light decision to do an expansion or to bring new product in because there's a lot of cost involved in that and just some logistics. What was the prompt behind knowing you wanted to expand or needing it?
Well, it became obvious that we had to expand. Mike he's being very humble. He does a wonderful job of manufacturing. The last few years we've been extremely busy. In manufacturing, there's always bottlenecks. That's the name of the game. Find your bottleneck, fix it, move on, create another bottleneck at that point. And we've moved that through several different areas in the shop, and we needed to get out more product. At the end of the day, we just need to produce more. Mike and I sat down and had numerous conversations. What do we have to do? Mike made it really simple. We just need more square footage. So, hey, let's do that. We happen to know a buildings company that puts out a great product, a construction company to put one up. Let's make this place bigger. So that's exactly what we're doing. As Mike said, we have ordered some new machinery that'll be placed in it as soon as it's done. Hopefully the building's done before the machinery shows up. That'll lead us to, better customer service, enhanced delivery, more on-time delivery, higher quality. It'll really help with all the things that I think Mike will probably talk more about here shortly.